Hi guys, this video is about palpation of the coracoid process. And before we start the palpation, we need to know some basic knowledge about the anatomy. First thing is coracoid process that we want to palpate. Second, there is a sternum and clavicle. And clavicle, one is convex and one is concave. So now I think we can do the palpation now. So first thing first, we need to put our finger at the medial part of the sternum. We also can say we put at the sternum, suprasternal notch here. So if you go to side, you can feel a bony part of the clavicle. Okay. So from here is the beginning of the palpation. So you can just go along. Okay. First is the convex, and then we go to the concave. And when we almost reach the end of the clavicle, I mean the concave, we just go down inferiorly, then we can palpate the coracoid process. Okay, so I repeat again. Okay, we start from the medial part of the clavicle. Here, we go along to the lateral end of the clavicle, almost the end, and then we just go inferiorly, then we can palpate the coracoid process. Okay, that's it. Thank you.